Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making sunny side up eggs. As you can see, I'm going to be doing 3 eggs myself. I have some avocado, some butter, salt, pepper, a knife, a plate, hot sauce, and a frying pan. So I'm hoping everybody knows that we need to put butter in a skillet because you don't want your eggs to burn. Keep moving it around, there it is. Now we're doing that too. Keep moving it around, get it all over the pan, make sure you coat it properly. The reason you do this, if you guys don't know, is if you leave an area that isn't fully coated, your egg can stick to it, which can cause it either to burn, or when you're trying to take your egg out of the pan, it just won't get out as quick. Okay, so now I'm gonna try to crack open an egg with one hand. Let's see if I can do this. Okay. Alright, so double tap it on the counter. And now you gently poke your thumb into that area. Hold it firmly from both sides. And you split it using your middle finger and your thumb and your pointer finger. You just pull apart. Well, mine was kind of a fail because my yolk exploded. But yeah, that's not how you do a sunny side up egg. Let's do it again. Round 2. And there it is. We're golden. Okay. Well, I said I was going to do 3 eggs, so we have 1 out of 3 so far. And boom! 2 out of 3. I'm going to call that a win. That's pretty good. So the key to sunny side up eggs is to keep your heat low. I would recommend between low and medium so you're not overcooking it. If you end up overcooking it, what happens is that the yolk, instead of being all runny, it ends up firming and you don't have that runny yolk that you can dip your bread or whatever into. Let it keep cooking, keep it going on the proper heat setting. The next thing is to add in a bit of water into the pan. This is done so you can create steam, which will help cook the whites of the egg through without fully letting the yolk cook through. Add on a lid, let it sit there for a few minutes. Alright, next step is to open that lid. Look at that water bubbling. Look at the whites they've cooked through. Potentially have overcooked some of the yolks. But told you guys I might be failing at some of these recipes. I'm just trying to teach you what not to do and sometimes what to do. Yeah, definitely overcooked it. As you can see, that was a very sad tap of regret on that yolk. Now I'm going to look at my plate because I need to plate it. Okay, so basically I was going to do an avocado garnish on top of my sunny side up eggs. Here you see me cutting open an avocado, showing you how to do it. Always slice down the middle like this, put it in smoothly. Make sure you have a firm hold on your knife as well as the avocado. Go full side up like you just saw me do. You can do it that way too, but I like doing it the long way on the avocado. And make sure you're holding it firmly. This is just me giving you guys another warning, just saying do not cut your hands. Avocado hand is a very serious injury. Way too many people are getting it. Okay, grab it from the sides, turn it, pop it open, put one side down. Now, when you're taking out the seed, this is what you do. Line it up first so you know where your seed is. Then lift and tap very steadily. Make sure you have a firm hold on that avocado before you start. Turn and pop out. There you go. That's it. And then pop off your seed. Now do longitudinal cuts downwards. There you go. Look at that. By the way, I would like us to all appreciate just how ripe and green this avocado is, because sometimes we end up with those poopy looking avocados and that's never nice. This one has, well, it has one spot. I'm drinking my coffee because, you need breaks in between. Just showing you guys. Look at that. Basically creating a mini tornado. I wonder if I spilled this one. No. Okay, I need to stop. There it is. Yeah, that's enough of that. And back to my plate. Okay, let's plate the eggs. There we go. Slide them out. See, this is the part where we put that butter on. Really helped. Now watch them. As soon as you kind of untether them. See, there you go. They slide out really smoothly. I'm doing it slowly because I don't want that water to follow through with us. But yeah, there it is. Okay. Get confused about where to put away the pan. That's normal too. Pick up your avocado. You guys can hear me sneeze at one point now too. Okay. Take a spoon, go around the edges of the avocado, and basically do whatever the heck I'm doing with my hands here. Dump it all on there, guys. Proteins and fats. This is all this breakfast is. Proteins and fats. Doing a little bit of salt. I like doing pink Himalayan salt or like a chunky type of salt. I like getting the random bursts of sodium. So that's always nice. I'm just gonna go in with my hands because I had washed my hands before starting this video and I think a spoon would have poured in way too much salt. Or never mind, with the amount of salt that I'm pouring in, I guess a spoon wouldn't have done too bad of a job. Okay, that's fine. I recommend to put in per taste. I like my spoons a little bit more salty. Put on a bit of pepper and then do that weird hand action. Grab some hot sauce. Put that on too after, you open it. There it is. Now it's just going to look like a murder scene a little bit. There you go. I am East Indian, so we love spice. That is why mine looks like basically a murder scene. Thank you guys so much for joining me today for the video, and please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on your guys' notifications.